Hi friends, wonderful morning to all. This is Mahalakshmi from 9th standard. Today we are going to learn about human brain. The brain is one of the largest and most complex organs in the human body. It is made up of more than 100 billion nerves that communicate in trillions of connections called synapses. The brain is made up of many specialized areas that work together. The cortex is the outermost layer of brain cells. What are the three types of the brain? The brain has three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem. What are the three major parts of the brain and their functions? The brain has three main parts. The cerebrum fills up most of your skull. It is involved in remembering, problem solving, thinking and feeling. The cerebellum sits at the back of your head under the cerebrum. It controls coordination and balance. The brainstem sits beneath your cerebrum in front of your cerebellum. What are 5 interesting facts about the human brain? 1. Multitasking is impossible. 2. An adult brain weighs about 3 pounds. 3. About 75% of the brain is made up of water. 4. The human brain will triple its size the first year of life. 5. Headaches are caused by a chemical reaction. 6. The human brain consists approximately 1000 billion neurons. Which brain is more powerful? The left brain is more verbal, analytical, and orderly than the right brain. It's sometimes called the digital brain. It's better at working like reading, writing, and computations. What is brain made up of? Brains are made up of soft tissues which includes grey and white matter. Consists the nerve cells, non-neuronal cells which help to maintain neurons and brain health, and the small blood vessels. They have a high water content as well as a large amount, nearly 60% of fat. How does your brain work? Your brain consists billions of nerve cells arranged in patterns that coordinate thoughts, emotion, behavior, movement, and sensation. A complicated highway system of nerves connect your brain to the rest of your body, so communication can occur in split seconds. What is the difference between the brain and the mind? Mind is associated with the brain. The two terms are often used interchangeably. Brain is considered to be a physical thing. The mind is considered to be a mental thing. The brain is composed of nerve cells and can be touched. But thus, the mind cannot be touched. What side of the brain controls memory? Right side of the brain. Our brains have two sides or hemispheres. In most people, language skills are in the left side of the brain. The right side controls attention, memory, reasoning, and problem solving. Friends, this is our brain. These are the parts of our brain. If you read and see this, you can know the parts of our brain. Read and see each part and know about our brain. Is brain made up of fat? The human brain is nearly 60% fat. You learned in recent years that fatty acids are among the most critical molecules that determine your brain's integrity and ability to perform. Is the brain the strongest muscle? Your brain is the most powerful muscle in your body. What is the brain? Simple definition. The brain is the part of your body which lets animals make sense of things. It gets input from sense organs and changes behavior in response to this information. In humans, the brain also controls our use of language and is capable of abstract thoughts. The brain is the main control center of the whole body. Friends, today we have learned about human brain. I think it is useful to you. Thank you friends. Bye. Have a nice day.